Hi campers! My name is Lauren and I am an instructor for photography, and today I wanted to talk to you about something very important for taking photos. That's called the rule of thirds. Basically, the rule of thirds is applied when you split up your frame into 9 parts, like this. So how do we apply this to photography? Well, why don't you come with me and I'll show you. So I have this vase of flowers that I would love to take a photo of, but I don't really want to put it in the center of my frame like this. So what do? Well, let's bring up that grid again. The way that the rule of third works is that apparently if you put the subject of your photo anywhere on the intersection of this grid, then it'll draw the person's eye towards that grid into the subject. So let's try it. Let's bring it down and over a little bit. Wow, that already looks so much better. We'll take a picture of this one. Another way that we can do it is also bringing it back over here. Now at this point, what's wrong with this? It looks like our door hinge is also in that frame, and it kind of draws your eye away from that too. This is one of the amazing parts of being a photographer. You can make decisions and decide if that's something that you want in your frame or if you don't. If you'd rather just have the focus be on the flowers, you can bring it back over like this. I think that looks great. Alright campers, well it was really awesome getting to teach you something about photography today. Go ahead and grab your camera or your phone, go out and take some pictures. Oh wait, looks like I'm not following the rule of thirds right now. Whoops. There we go. I'll see you later.
Hey, thanks for hanging out today with us at PSR at Home. Make sure to check out our website at psrathome.org and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our social media accounts. If you'd like to share your Camp at Home experience with us, make sure to use the hashtags PSR at Home or PSR Camp at Home. We're looking forward to seeing you guys again soon.